Ducky swimming. Loki hasn't quite gotten the hang of swimming yet. That's why he's still super fuzzy and yellow. Donnie likes to dive under the water, but he's already done a bunch of that, so I missed it, sadly. That's why Donnie's face is all brown. They're swimming. And they poop in the water, and they eat it, which is disgusting. I wish I could get some of Donnie diving. It's so cool to watch him. He's so fast. There's Trina. She wants to be in the water, but I won't let her. She got her spring haircut. She's naked. Dive, Donnie, dive! Yep, that's pretty much it with the duckies.